Okay, so today we're going to make little birds out of yarn. This one I put a little piece of wire in. You could connect it to like a side of a flower pot or a you could even connect it to your finger if you want. But yeah, this is what we're gonna make. So what you're gonna start out with is, and you can kind of put them any way you want. You're gonna have 3 bundles of yarn, different colors. So I'm going to start out with the red, the white, and the black. So what you do is you just line it this way, line it that way, kind of get the knots so they're right on top of each other. You're going to fold this up, and then you're going to fold this one to this side. So if you want to just kind of pull them a little, don't pull the individual threads, but just kind of brush it this way and brush it that way. What you're going to do is take your extra, you should have a extra piece of yarn for each color. What you're going to do is tie these off and try to get it close to the top so that you have a nice tight head. So this is what you're going to do with this one. Just tie it in a knot. Okay. And then this one, I'll just kind of pull it straight. This one you're going to tie off too. So maybe take this knot and try to keep it on the bottom. So we'll spin these around so they're on the bottom. Okay, so depending on if you want this to be the top of the head or this to be the top of the head, I think I'll use the white on the bottom. So with using the top part of the head, you're going to make sure that it's going to be this way, and then when you turn it, you're going to there we go. When you put them together, it's going to form the place where the beak is. So you're like this. Make sure this is the top of the head, makes a point here, and then just turn them together. So that's what that's going to look like. Now you're going to take these are going to be the wings, that extra color. So all you're going to do is put it in between, hide that knot, so your knot is there. And what you want to do is just kind of take the yarn on this side and kind of pull it over. Take the yarn on the other side and kind of pull it over here. And now you've got wings. So that's what you do. Now, in order to tie this, I found the easiest way is to just hold on to it and do a couple loops around, because that'll show you what your bird will look like before you tie it off. So I think that looks okay. So I'm going to tie that in a knot. And what you're going to do then is, see, those are the wings. That's the top of the head. And that's where you're going to put the beak. But first of all, we're going to cut along here and just shape the bottom of your, or the tail feathers of your bird. So you'll be like that. You can make it shorter if you want, or longer. Okay, so we've got the beak and the eyes. So I think the best place to put the beak is right where that point comes down in the front. Then we'll put some glue on the beads. Here's one. I could do another one. There you go. And that's her little bird. Now you can put the wire right through here, and then you could attach it to anything. If you want a little bird up on your shelf or any place that you can attach it with some wire. Okay, have fun. Bye-bye.